That know me and knew my mom know what a special day Halloween was for her. She loved to celebrate Halloweens. It was a day to be silly and frivolous and just kind of to get all the evil spirits away as we got ready for All Saints Day the next day. But one of my favorite things about Halloween was Mom always had all orange and black food. So I'm going to share with you today her special recipe, not mine, but her special recipe. We call it Halloween cheese toast. And I'm going to put it right on top of this bread that's already been toasted. Remember, this has been buttered. I pop these in the oven for about 10 minutes. All I want is the cheese to get melty and put them right on top. Doesn't that look just so yummy? Happy Halloween, Mom.